What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel where you subscribe for daily updates on Bitcoin. Coming to you from Vegas. This is going to be a very short video. Just going to take a quick look at the chart, see what's going on as I am on vacation. Don't forget, we have a free Discord group in the description. Definitely check it out, and let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing or trading in any markets, as it is very risky. Also, I want to remind you, we're doing a Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway. All you have to do to enter to win is make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos. Smash that thumbs up and leave your comments down below. That will get you entered to win. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Looking at Dow Jones, we've been talking about this. We could get possibly as high as the $30,700 range. Excuse me if my audio or anything's messed up. I am doing this from my laptop, so just to let you know. But anyways, we could possibly get up to this $30,700 range in the Dow. Getting up here, we could still have divergence there, but we'll see how this plays out. As we know, markets are really crazy right now, so be extremely careful. Also, looking at the gold chart that we've been watching, looking at this as a possible A, B, C correction. And as you guys see, we are getting rejected here at the 55 EMA on gold, which is around 1895 area. So, well, let's see how this plays out. But we did hit our first target of the 1850 range. Possibly we could be heading down to the C at 1800. If we go below this 1800, which will probably be below the 200 EMA here. If we drop below that, guys, gold could get pretty ugly. Let's look at the DXY. And before going through that, the fear and greed index, we are at 89. We raised 2 points from yesterday, still in the extreme greed zone. Looking at the DXY, we've been looking at this as a possible falling wedge. Coming back to retest the bottom of this, could be around the $90 range. We did get some hidden bullish divergence down here, lower highs or lower lows on the RSI, higher lows on the price. Does seem like it wants to kick back up, but we are currently getting rejected. Whoops. At all the EMAs here, we are getting rejected. We are below them. If we do get a kickback up and cross this trend line on top, that will be very bearish for Bitcoin. Otherwise, we could see Bitcoin with one more pump if the DXY comes down to this area. As you guys know, we put from the swing high to the swing low Fibonacci retracement. We are currently getting rejected at this 0.786. We did get a wick above it, but it is at 16,350, and this is on the monthly chart. So if the monthly closes below this, I would say we are most likely going to come back down to at least the $13,500 range. If you guys are interested in trading where you can make money whether the market goes up or down, it doesn't matter. I'll leave a Prime XBT tutorial up top. Definitely check it out. By far my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. You don't get the crazy scam wicks you get on the scammy exchanges. As of right now, we have popped above this rising channel, usually a pop above this, and that is bullish. We did say if that was to happen, if we do open and close a daily above that, we could be seeing 20,700 is a possibility. But if this is a bull trap and we just wicked above it, we could be coming all the way back down to the $7,700 range. First of all, we would have to test this bottom trend line, which is around $12,200 range. So keep an eye on that. If you guys are interested in trading on Prime, even if you already have an account, if you don't, I have a link down below. Definitely check it out. You can trade Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything on one exchange without switching around. And you can do multiple trades, up, down. You can have, longs in for long term and then put in short term trades all at the same time. It won't bundle them all up like other exchanges. But if you are interested, Savy50 will get, as a promo code, will get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit up to 1 Bitcoin. Savy25 will get you 25% off your fees. And also, if you guys want to help support the channel, inkyyourimage.com. This is my wife's webpage. There's a link below, along with a bunch of other affiliate links down there that have some special offers only on my channel. Definitely check them out. And yeah, if you want any of this stuff, she can put anything you want on any of this. She's also making masks now too. Hit her up in the contact if you have any questions. Looking at the weekly, so we're looking at this falling broadening wedge with a possible target of 16,000, which we hit. We have wicked above it. Currently, we are sitting at 16,177 area. It does look still pretty bullish on the weekly. I am curious to see what this weekend brings. Be careful on the weekends. You guys know we can get some crazy wicks. But as looking at the weekly, we are making higher highs in the price action, and we are even across the board on the RSI. That could be bearish. Let's see where the weekly closes. And looking at the daily. So we've been watching this for quite a while as a rising broadening wedge, where we did break above it, and I'd said the target then would be around the $18,200 range. Depending on what happens here, we could come back down to retest this trend line, and that would also line up with the 21 EMA here around 14,600. Yeah, right around the 14,600 range. A daily close above that would get us bearish again, but if we do come back down, retest this and get a nice bounce, we could be looking for that 18.2 range. Coming back below this, obviously a close below the 14,600 would most likely get us back in this wedge, and there could be a possibility coming back down to retest this trend line, depending on where it would hit. Could be between 10,900 and 11,500 would be in this range. A break of that, then we could be heading down towards that $7,700 range that we've talked about plenty of times. We'll see what happens there. Let's look at the RSI real quick on the daily. The RSI has plenty of room to fall, but as we know, Bitcoin has been doing some crazy gains. We could get one more jump of this RSI up to this range to get us to that 18.2. Be very careful here, guys, if you are trading it. So the 4 hour, we had been looking at this as a rising wedge. We talked about it. A break of this, I didn't make a video yesterday. As you guys know, I'm been traveling, but we're gonna move this over now. We are back below it, currently trying to get above it. If we do get back above this trend line, which is 16,200, and we close a 4 hour above this, open and close a 4 hour above this, we're possibly heading back up. Otherwise, I would consider this a bull trap if we get rejected here and continue down. Looking at this as a rising channel or rising broadening wedge. If we do break below this 15.5, most likely coming back down to around the 200 EMA down here, somewhere in the 14,500 range. Keep an eye on this. This is a very, very crazy area, guys. Be careful. As you guys know, the markets are going crazy, the world's going crazy, news is crazy, everything's crazy. It's gonna be very interesting to see how all this plays out, guys. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see what happens. But as of right now, like I said, we're kind of in limbo here. We do seem to get rejected right now on this trend line. Yeah, be careful here, guys. I would say if we don't get back above this 16.2, 16.3 range by the end of the day, we're most likely going to come back down to at least this 15.5, somewhere in this area. But again, this is a quick video. Got a lot going on. Like I said, I'm in Vegas. I just wanted to get this out to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the Crypto Savvy logo by my head. Smash that like button. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and I am out.